A very good morning, students. Today, I'm going to start a new topic of English grammar called active and passive voice. Students, a sentence can be in active voice or in passive voice. A sentence that has a subject which acts upon its verb is said to be in active voice, while a sentence in which the subject is the recipient of a verb's action, then it is called passive voice. So basically, active voice tells us what subject does. Okay. For example, look at the sentence Ram killed Ravan. So here, Ram is the subject and we come to know that he killed Ravan. So this is the action. Subject, then we have verb, then we have object. And if you look at the second sentence, which is in passive voice, the focus is on the action. Ravan was killed by Ram. So here, the subject is the recipient of a verb's action. The position of subject and object has been changed here. Whenever we change a sentence from active to passive, there are certain rules which are to be followed. So, in this video, I will try to cover some of the rules. Active voice tells us what a person or thing does. The subject performs the action on the object. So, a subject is followed by a verb and then we have our object. Passive voice tells us what is done to someone or something. The subject is being acted upon. Okay. So, first we have our object, then verb, and then we have our subject. The examples will make it more clear. First example is Anna painted the house. Here, Anna is the subject, painted is the verb, and the house is the object. And when we change it to passive voice, the sentence becomes The house was painted by Anna. If you notice, there is no change of tense. Anna painted the house. This sentence is also in past tense, and the house was painted by Anna. This sentence is also in past tense. We have to change only the subject and object. The second sentence, the teacher always answers the student's questions. Here the subject is the teacher, the verb is answers, and student's questions is the object. In the passive voice, the student's questions are answered by the teacher. The position of subject and object has been changed. The tense remains the same. Ali posted the video online. So first we have to check the object here. What is the object? The video. So this will become the subject. The video was posted online by Ali. Now let's understand how the sentence gets changed from active voice to passive voice. Look at the first sentence. She delivers the letters. So in this sentence, the tense is present simple. The letters are delivered by her. Okay, you can write by her. Then the second sentence, she delivered the letters. When we change it to passive voice, the sentence becomes the letters were delivered by her. She will deliver the letters. So here the tense is future simple. When we change it to passive voice, it becomes the letters will be delivered. The next sentence is she is delivering the letters. So here the tense is present continuous. When we will change it to passive voice, the tense will remain the same. We will use the third form of verb, which is delivered, and we will use the word being to denote the tense present continuous. The rules will remain the same, that subject and object positions will be changed. So she is delivering the letters will become the letters are being delivered by her. In the next sentence, she was delivering the letters. The tense is past continuous. So the sentence in passive voice will become The letters were being delivered by her. She is going to deliver the letters. So, the object, the letters, will come first. The letters are going to be delivered by her. Now, students, some more tenses. If the sentence is in present perfect, like in the sentence, she has delivered the letters, the tense will not be changed. I have repeated so many times in this video. She has delivered the letters will be changed to the letters have been delivered by her. She had delivered the letters. Here, the tense is past perfect. Okay. So, the subject will become object and the object will become subject, but the tense will not be changed. So, if it is past perfect, it will remain in past perfect. The letters had been delivered by her. We have used the word been here to denote the perfect tense. The sentence in active voice, she has to deliver the letters. The letters have to be delivered by her. She must deliver the letters. The letters must be delivered. So here the last example is related to models. Students, I have tried to cover most of the rules in this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.